Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about, I'm gonna teach how to do this really cool 3D sphere effect in Photoshop. It's really fast and really cool, I promise. Let's just get right into it. Import your image into Photoshop like I did. Then you are going to press Command J to duplicate your layer. Otherwise, you can just drag your layer into this plus sign over here to duplicate it. Then you want to right click and rasterize your layer. Go to Filter, Distort, Spherize. And you want the amount to be at 100%, mode on normal, and press OK. You're now going to make a circle with the ellipse tool. And you can make it however big you want. I'm going to make it kind of like this big and place it wherever you want. Doesn't have to be in the center. You can place it wherever you want. And you can bring this underneath. Grab the your top layer, Command T to transform, and now drag it in to where your circle is. So make it as big as your circle. Right here and here. This will make a sphere size. Hold down Command key and click on the thumbnail of your circle. While your top layer is selected, Shift Command I to invert your selection and then Command X to cut away the excess. You can now reselect your circle, add a new layer, and with the brush tool on 100% opacity and flow, you are going to draw on this side with black and on the top side with white. Alright, now you're going to change the blending mode of your top layer to something like soft light. Command D to deselect. You can now erase your ellipse and you're left with this. Last thing you want to do is add a new layer. We're going to make a black circle right under here to make the shadow. So you draw a circle, fill it with black. You're now going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, convert to Smart Object, blur it quite a bit, press OK, and lower the opacity. And that's it. How easy and cool is this? Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these tutorials you see over here. And take a look at my new shop, Margheritavox.com. I'll put everything in the description down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.